Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is deadlock. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. When we are learning about operating system, one of the things that we have to understand are deadlocks or deadlock. So let us define what is a deadlock. Deadlock is defined as a situation during the execution of a process when more than one computer starts sharing a single resource and ultimately they both stop each other from accessing the resource. Most likely, the resources, it can be a CPU time, CPU resources, or memory, or storage like in the hard drive. So deadlock is a common thing in operating system that we have to be aware of when we are using Microsoft Windows. A tool that we can use to terminate a process of an application is the use of Windows Task Manager. Okay guys, so this is the end of my short tutorial video what is deadlock is all about. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.